only 9 grams and tiny size. Hollyland Lark M2, new wireless microphone system. Let's review that. So the Hollyland Lark M2 is a successor to the very popular system Lark M1 from Hollyland, and it gets even better, smaller, faster, whatever. So let's have a look at this system, what you get in the kit, and in my case this is the combo kit with the camera receiver, also with the USB Type-C small receiver for your smartphones like Android or iPhone 15 Pro Max, and here we have the lightning adapter, and they both have the pass-through charging capabilities. So here we have the charging case. It's super lightweight. The whole kit, the whole package with all of the accessories weighs less than 250 grams, so it doesn't weigh almost anything, and you won't feel it in your backpack whatsoever. So you get the charging case, it charges with the USB Type-C connector, and of course it can charge your devices twice from 0 to 100 and gives you in total 40 hours of battery life. Yesterday I was testing the transmitters and receiver and got 9 hours of work time without the noise cancellation function turned on, which is great in my opinion and more than enough for all kinds of vlogging, blogging, interview stuff, etc. So the case itself is very nice. It has some indication so you can understand how much juice you have inside, and here we have two little transmitters, 9 grams each, and a receiver for your camera. So let's start with the transmitter. The transmitters themselves are tiny, and as you can see they fit into the charging case with the magnet, which can be used to clip the transmitter onto a shirt, for instance. This clip and this magnet is pretty strong, and I was easily using it with my wind coat, which is pretty thick because it's cold in here, of course. And yes, you can store this together with the magnet, and magnet is the only way to basically use this system. So let me say I love this system because it's really convenient and easy to use. So on the transmitter itself we have only the power button, which doubles as turn on, turn off the noise cancellation function. It's right here, it's yellow. I wish it wasn't that bright, but still it's okay and fine. Here we have the grills for the microphone, and basically this is it. A little LED indicator which shines blue when it's connected, and it shines green when you use the noise cancellation function. Also, you have the magnetic charging connectors, so when you put it back to the charging case, it starts charging. So let's have a look at the camera receiver. It's pretty straightforward, a bit plasticky, so you can mount it onto your camera with this little clamp. Also magnetic connectors, also USB Type-C for charging if you want to charge it this way, but unfortunately the transmitters don't have any space in those to be charged with the USB Type-C, only the magnetic charging, so you have to bring the case with you. And also here we have the power button, the pairing button, and the mode switch from stereo to mono. So when you press it once, it gets to the mono, and you press it once again, it gets to stereo, so green and blue indicators. You cannot dial in the noise cancellation function from here, only from the transmitters themselves. So here we have the gain adjustment, so you can have 3 different steps of gain, and I would suggest using the highest gain mode both with the smartphone and with your camera, and dialing in the volume or the gain on the camera itself. Here we have 2 indicators for status, so if it's blinking, the devices are not connected, and if it shines blue, like straight away, it does have the connection. And also, guys, you can use this USB Type-C on the receiver for your camera as a receiver for your computer, and you can use 2 transmitters and feed in the sounds to your computer. So what else do we have in the combo kit, in the big one? As I said before, the lightning connector with the pass-through charging, then the USB Type-C receiver for your smartphone. They don't need to be charged, they have the juice from the phone itself. Here we have also the little clamps, so you detach the original magnet and then you attach a clamp to it, and you can use it as a regular clamp-on little microphone like so. Of course, you cannot plug in any lavalier microphones, it's too small to be using the lav mics. So here we have another one, so 2 clamps. Also, we have 2 wind protectors. They cover the whole microphone and you get pretty good wind protection. Also here we have a little pendant, so you can put it on like so. It has also a silicone rubber around it, and then you simply attach the microphone like so, and you use this pendant as so, or under the shirt, whatever is more suitable to you. And these have a little adjustment in terms of the length. Also here we have a TRS to TRS cable or a mini jack cable to connect the receiver and your camera, and they have angled connectors, which is nice to have. I love those. Also we have a USB-C to USB-A cable, and it's a very high quality cable, really thick one. I'm not sure why you need this thick of a cable, but still it's a nice feature, nice addition to have in this kit. So all in all, this is it. You also get a bag, and it has a little divider in the middle, so you put all of the accessories to one part, then you have a divider to put the charging case to the other part, so it is not getting scratched by anything. Great kit, let's move on. Also guys, I forgot to mention that in the kit we have a set of stickers, so you can cover the whole transmitter with a sticker. We have different emoji stickers for you guys who are doing some vlogs and all that stuff. But what is more important, guys, is that they have the pure white and pure black stickers. They'll cover the Hollyland logo, and you can use those without grabbing too much attention from the viewer, which is nice, great addition. In terms of the pricing, I don't know the exact official prices yet, but they have different combos. So this is the biggest combo with all three receivers for Android, iPhone, and the camera. They'll have a separate receiver, one receiver only for the iPhone or for the Android, USB-C or Lightning, or only for the camera. And I think the price will be around $150. I'll write the exact prices for different combo kits in the description below. So now guys, let's have a listen to those little microphones inside, outside, against Rode Wireless Pro, a much bulkier, bigger and better system, but it's also a lot more pricey. So let's go. And right now guys, you're hearing the Hollyland Lark M2 system. 1 2 3 mic check, 1 2 3 mic check. I can hear some beeping sound from I don't know, a truck maybe. So now let's test the noise cancellation function. So right now it's turned off, the blue indicator. And right now the noise cancellation is on, the green indicator. 1 2 3 mic check, 1 2 3 mic check, and let me turn it off once again. So right now it is off and we don't have any dead cat on, so no wind protection whatsoever. This is the audio quality you get while you're wearing this outside. And right now guys, you're hearing the Rode Wireless Pro microphone right here, the built-in microphone. We're recording straight into the Sony FX30. The gain in camera is set to +10. With the Hollyland microphones we also had the gain at +10. And also we had the maximum gain on the Hollyland microphones, and the gain on the Rode is set to match the volume level, the gain level with the Hollyland microphones. 1 2 3 mic check, 1 2 3 mic check, the audio quality of the Rode Wireless Pro system. 1 2 3 mic check, 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 1 2 3 mic check. And right now guys, I'm recording the audio through the iPhone 15 Pro Max with this little adapter, which has a pass-through charging with USB Type-C as well. And as you can hear, it does record to the iPhone with the Blackmagic camera app in Apple Log, and the gain is set to maximum 100%. 1 2 3 mic check, 1 2 3 mic check, Hollyland Lark M2 with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And right now guys, we're recording straight into the iPhone, to the iPhone's microphones without any adapter. 1 2 3 mic check, 1 2 3 mic check. It's pretty quiet here in the forest, so I think the audio quality should also be more than fine. But if you place your iPhone like 2-3 meters away from you and you are recording to the through those microphones, it would be much better. And right now guys, you're hearing the Hollyland Lark M2 in my office with terrible acoustics and a lot of echo comparing to my shotgun microphone with different like voice isolation and some corrections in post. It can sound pretty irritating and echoey, but still let's try to record some samples. 1 2 3 mic check, 1 2 3 mic check, Hollyland Lark M2 built-in microphone. Now let's turn on the noise cancellation. So now you're hearing the voice cancellation mode, or noise cancellation mode, not voice cancellation, of course, noise cancellation mode, guys. And I think the echo is now not that terrible, but still I heard that this mode does interfere your voice. It doesn't sound as natural as without this mode. So 1 2 3 mic check, 1 2 3 mic check, Hollyland Lark M2 with noise cancellation. So now I have turned it off again, and this is the audio quality you get. Now let's compare it to the Rode Wireless Pro. And right now, guys, you're hearing the Rode Wireless Pro built-in microphone. 1 2 3 mic check. 1 2 3 mic check. We're recording through the Sony FX30 and all of the settings are written down below. 1 2 3 mic check. 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 So 1 2 3 mic check, 1 2 3 mic check. And right now, guys, my classic distance test in the forest. Here is the wind protection, so you have this furry blob on your chest, and it is located on my chest. So when I'm turning with my back towards the camera, this means that I'm blocking the signal with my body. So let's go. The first point will be at around 10 meters away. I'm not the best person in terms of metering the distance, but still about 10 meters away. 1 2 3 mic check. Lark M2 Hollyland. Turn around. 1 2 3 mic check, blocking the signal with my body. So I hope this does work at this distance. Let's get further at about 25 meters, maybe closer to 30 meters. So this system does work at 2.4 gigahertz, and the best conditions are, of course, in the open space. And so here we are, 1 2 3 mic check, about 30 meters. And now let's turn around. 1 2 3 mic check with my back towards the receiver. And 1 2 3 mic check. So let's get a bit further to about 15 line of sight. So these are the results, guys. I do think that it is more than suitable for short distances because it's a simple system without built-in recording capabilities. So you don't have any backup, but those are tiny 9 grams transmitters. So you do need to be as close as possible. And if you have some interference in the ground where you are, so on the playground, in the conference hall, or whatever, you'll have worse results in terms of the distance. But still, I think that like 15 to 20 meters line of sight in any conditions should be more than fine. So drop your comments down in the comment section below about the distance test. One more really cool feature is that when you plug in the USB Type-C or Lightning receiver to your phone, your transmitter starts to react as a Bluetooth control button. So when you hit it twice, it works as a volume up button and starts the recording in the native camera app or in Blackmagic camera app, whatever. So let's try to do this. As you can see, I'm not recording right now. It's a little crazy because of the screen protector, but still, let's click it twice. As you can see, we started the recording, and if I want to stop the recording, I can click it twice again. And it stopped the recording, so you can use this to remotely start and stop the recording with your phone. So to conclude, guys, who needs this system? I think it's a perfect system for bloggers, vloggers, travelers, or for the guys who record different interviews on a budget, especially with a smartphone. Because with a smartphone adapter, it's super easy to use. It's tiny. The whole setup is like, I don't know, 50 grams. So if you do need internal recording, or if you do need to go farther away than 20, maybe 15 meters and have stable signal, this is not the best solution. But for the money, I think it's almost perfect. In terms of sound quality, it's not that much worse than the Rode Wireless Pro, which is $400, by the way. It lacks the bass just a little bit, but in terms of audio quality, I have zero complaints. The noise cancellation functionality is not the best in the world, but if you need this, you can use it. I would clean the audio with voice isolation in Final Cut in post, but if you go live or you need to do something else with the noise cancellation, you do have this functionality. A lot of accessories, great kit, super compact and portable, so in my opinion, it is a must-have to purchase if you do need a dual transmitter system with great audio on a budget and in a compact solution. So if you did enjoy this video, guys, please smash the like and subscribe buttons and hit the notifications bell. And the next video for you to watch is the review of an elder brother of the system, Hollyland Lark Max. See you in that video, guys. Take care. Bye.